YAYA time. YAYA time. What you say? YAYA time. YAYA time. Okay, YAYA time.
Hey my peeps, welcome back to Yaya's Best Life channel. We welcome you. And if you're new to the channel, we welcome you as well. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified when Yaya, that's me, upload new videos. We're happy to have you guys. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday, everybody.
Happy Sunday.
Yes. We got a little seafood boil today, shrimp and some sausage. Some broccoli. I got some corn and eggs in here as well. And I had a couple videos ago, we did a review on the Bloves garlic sauce. And so I had some that was left over, so we're going to use that as well today. So before we get into this, let's bow our heads and say a prayer, and then we'll get into this boil, and then we'll do some chit-chatting.
All right now. Bow your heads, y'all. Amen.
Amen. So yeah, happy Sunday again, you guys. So as usual, as I always say, I'm hungry, and I am. I have not eaten. Had me some coffee this morning. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right on into this.
I'm going to grab the plate.
Yeah, so
Napkins, because you know it's going to be messy.
as usual.
There you go.
Thank you. So how you guys doing today? Is everything going okay? What y'all got going on?
Sausage right there for y'all.
You have to speak up.
A piece of sausage right there for y'all. That thumbnail with the shrimp, and I'll do the sausage thumbnail.
Okay. Let me get another shrimp. These are those black tiger shrimp. I told you I went back to the store and got me some more of them.
She sure did. 3
Uh-oh.
bags worth. 3 bags worth.
Them suckers was kind of a little bit on the expensive side, but that's okay because they bomb. I like them.
No spice there.
I didn't use the whole package of the seasoning, the beloved seasoning. So I used the rest of that. I added another stick of butter. Added me a little bit more vinegar. I use brown sugar, so I put a little bit more brown sugar in it. So it's good for my taste buds. If you guys haven't tried it, get you some. It's real flavorful. Where'd I get these shrimp at? Winn-Dixie?
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know if you have a Winn-Dixie in your area, but that's where I got these black tiger shrimps at. Got some lemon over here.
H2O, you always know.
I'm drinking on lacrosse today. Sausage. These are Roxworth's.
Johnsonville's.
Mm-hmm.
I love them broccoli. I was going to get the ones that they had there. I'm assuming they make themselves in the store, but I go with what I know. Johnsonville, because I know they're going to be good. Especially when you do them in that air fryer.
Oh yeah, those were done in the air fryer. I forget what they call that. I have to look that up again.
What's that?
When they build the little thing here. I forget what it's called. I've seen it on other videos.
I was in there and said, what you doing?
Hmm?
I said, I was looking at you. I was wondering what you were doing. You got the egg and the sausage up there.
I forget what it's called. Somebody has a challenge on it as well.
Stacking.
Mm-hmm. Got a spoon. I don't know why you're using a fork and just, or whatever. I'm just gonna ooh, that's hot.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Forgot a piece of potato.
Saw it when I pulled it out of there.
Mm-hmm. Hmm. Good.
Excuse me.
What y'all have going on last night, Saturday night?
Went out and partied. Well, I shouldn't say party. Went out and had a good time.
Ah, ooh, hot. Hope you guys had a good Saturday evening. It's almost time for school to start, so I know a lot of people have been out clothes shopping.
Mm-hmm.
Let us know how that's going for you. I'm sure my grandson will be hitting me up here pretty soon. I know his dad did a little bit of shopping, but
He gonna want us to buy him something.
whatever he don't get from his dad, believe you. I get those puppy dog phone calls. Sad eyes.
Yeah.
It's like, what's up?
Can you buy me such and such?
And I'm like, tell your daddy to buy it for you.
He won't.
So that means Yaya gotta get it. Or will get it. I don't say gotta get it, but I will get it. Mm. Kids grow up so fast. I called him yesterday because I knew my son, the Bombers, had a football game. That's that semi-pro team I told you that he coaches on. He had defensive coordinator. So I called Jared's phone yesterday to see if the game had started, what was going on. And he was with his little friends. He's 9. And he wasn't even trying to hear what I was talking about. He was like, well, can I call you back? I'm with my friends right now. I was like, oh, no, he didn't. I said, okay, call me back when the game gets started. You already know I didn't hear from him. I got some kind of text last night, but it was just like a hi. That was it. So I ain't heard from them, so I don't know if they won the game or not. Usually when they win, I hear from them, so I'll give a little call after, later on today.
It's good. Bomb.
Corn is good. It's that sweet corn.
Get me a piece.
Hmm?
I said, I'm gonna get me a piece.
Mm-hmm. Yep, it all turned out good.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. I guess we hungry, kind of quiet today. Let me see. Oh, let me get a potato in.
Tastes good.
Yeah, you know what? I changed up on those potatoes. I didn't get those big ones. What I've been buying is the little small, little knots. I call them little knots. I think those are better when you put them in a boil. There you go. Get you some. How's the weather where you are?
Nice here today. A little blue sky.
Peaks of sun.
Cloud.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, ah.
Burning them fingers.
Mm-hmm.
I'm getting full. Don't want to overdo it. Knocked out sleep. So, have anybody watched any Olympics since it started? I don't know what's on yet. What events is going on now? Gotta look.
I think I don't know if it's the gymnastics. What's her name? Simone.
Mm-hmm.
I love watching her.
Simone Diaz, I think. No, not Diaz.
Not there.
Biles.
Yeah,
I think
Simone Biles. Biles. Something's her last name. But yeah.
I think that's like towards the middle of it.
I thought I saw that she's already gone, but I could be wrong. I had posted on my Facebook some stuff that I saw.
I'm full. I'm not gonna push no more. You can be greedy. Cause it comes back on you.
Yeah.
Be sitting up there uncomfortable. Be like, man, it was good going down, but I'm uncomfortable. 4, you try to go to sleep. It don't work. Gotta go in tomorrow night.
Such is life. So, I did have something I wanted to share with you guys. Okay. Get your shrimp down. You know, we always talk about time and how precious time is. Oh, we get a little drink in. And I know we have, and I know you guys as well have been working on planning your days and getting accomplished what you want to get accomplished in life. So I had a little extra message today of some things that I hope is helpful to you and encouraging, and that is to have courage in whatever you have going on. Whatever your goal is and you have set out for yourself, be courageous at that. And to get to your goal, a lot of times we got to change our mindset. You know, we may have grown up a certain way, but in order to get to where we want to get in life, sometimes we got to change our mindset about things. You know, and we got to break the rules. Breaking the rules maybe that we once have known, but we always be open to learn new things. And we got to be strong. You know, stay strong at what you're doing. Stay focused. And put yourself in a position where you do flourish. You know, sometimes we have friends, and even sometimes it's family as well. Sometimes we got to kind of just stay focused on oneself. And you got to push all that other kind of, it doesn't always be negative, but sometimes distractions. I'll say distractions. Sometimes we got to push all them distractions away to get to our goal, okay? And we got to leave our comfort zone. Sometimes we just get comfortable. This is how life is. And before you know it, you know, you'll be my age. And it's like, okay, there were things that I wanted to get accomplished that I haven't gotten there yet. It's never too late. Every day we wake up, we are thankful that God gave us that opportunity. And so, you know, keep moving forward. Don't ever stop. Keep moving forward. You know, and go big. Shoot, go big. You don't have to keep it small. Go big. Whatever you want, go big. Go for it. And don't let nobody tell you that you can't.
Sure enough.
And communicate beyond your tribe. Meaning communicate beyond the people that you're accustomed to being around. That's that stepping out of that comfort zone. You know, it doesn't matter. Talk to other people. That's how you learn. And last but not least, and most of all, hit it. Run for your destiny. I'll just share a personal right quick. Like I've always wanted to have my own business. Always have. Since I was, you know, in my 20s or whatever. And there were all kind of little things that, you know, were good ideas. And I would kind of start and I would put a plan together. And I've gone out and talked to planning people and, you know, the Small Business Association, figuring out how can I put this business together. But something I kept letting myself get blocked and not to do it, you know. And now I am older, but these were just some good thoughts that I had gotten. And I'm like, absolutely right. You know, it doesn't matter your age or whatever. If there's something that you want to do and something that you want to accomplish, some change that you want to make in your life, go for it. Go big. Go ahead. Just do it. You know, so time is our most precious commodity. Let's use our time wisely. These 10 things that I went through, you know, rewind this video, you know, write those down. That's what I did. And I'm going to post those up so that there will be a reminder to me of things to keep moving forward and to accomplish in life. So that's Yaya's message to you guys today. Okay, on this Sunday. And yeah, that's positive. So you guys stay positive as well.
You hear that?
So that goes for all of us. Absolutely. So we thank you guys for joining us for this seafood boil.
And please give a like, share, and subscribe. And most importantly of all, hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified when Yaya drops another video for you.
Yep. So that's what we want this channel to be about, is positivity, and to give you guys little thoughts, pardon me, to be encouraging, not only to ourselves, but to you guys, our channel viewers as well, how to move forward in life and get what you want out of life. Get those big things that you want. You deserve them. So with that said, what time is it?
It's Yaya's time. Yaya time. What you say? Yaya time. Yaya time. Okay, Yaya time.
So peace out, you guys. Deuces. We love you. We appreciate you. We thank you guys for all of the comments that have been coming in to us. All our new subscribers, we thank you. And if you haven't already, as Tim said, hit that notification bell so you'll be hit the subscribe button first, then hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time that I upload new videos. See y'all tomorrow, because we'll be back.
Yaya time.
Bye.